piece by piece.
And on the menu today, lamb Potjie.
The whole lot, Andy. The whole bench shoot.
Slow down, Amber.
It's the easiest way.
Okay, we'll leave that a couple more minutes.
And won't you rinse? Oh, no, sorry.
The boss put there, but
Then won't you just rinse that for me, please, and put it with the other cups? Thanks. I just need the space here.
what's that?
But not same brand, but almost system is same. Because we use both the main controller is on the left side.
Yeah, you don't need to put this both together. No?
Different way.
Oh, nice, huh? I will make it.
They bring out shovel. Will someone put back again?
Mr. TZ,
Huh?
you put the shovel back again.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in. Use it.
That one okay?
Yeah. It's easier with this. You can do piece by piece. Check this pilot round.
इटा हाल्नु भएको छ कि कोइला हाल्नु भएको छ तपाईँले
दुइटै हालिन्छ
बग्दैन त कत्रो हो त्यो है यो त हाल्नु नि त साइडतिर हात बाँधेर हेरेर बसेपछि के हो
Okay.
nice and slow.
So we've got garlic paste and
Ginger.
Not like last time, yeah? This look.
No, slightly different.
trusty, but on my tummy, very full.
Don't worry, you'll get hungry later, man.
I drink lot of water.
That's not a good move. Can I ask you to just hold that, Andy? Thank you.
Okay, here goes the paprika.
Yeah. And I need the cinnamon. Thank you. Got it? Thank you, Andy. Okay, then I've got to take the onions out once they've cooked.
Okay.
And then I will brown, I'll put more oil in and I will brown the lamb shoulder. I just have to cook these a bit more. Just put the lid on for a little on this because I haven't put salt yet.
Last night in my curries, I put over salt. Still I'm drinking water.
Oh, of course. My spoon is here. No, I'm sure you put too much salt. I don't put too much because I use stock as well. All right, let that just cook for about another 5 minutes and then we'll take it out. Just to check it, yeah. I would say just another minute or two and then I can take them out, yeah. And then we got to get...
Boleh awak ni kasih ni ada tahu tahu ada ni. Otar bayu.
Yeah, exactly. Oh no, I put it on.
Thanks, Anne. Right, hang on a minute, I need the tongs.
Don't worry, I'll show you a pic when we
You need
talk
the
on
oil?
Sunday or Monday. I'll show you.
Oh, hang on a minute. No, I need the oil first. Yeah. Let's throw in a lot of oil.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll sort it out.
Just keep pouring. More, because I've got a lot of browning to do.
I'll take my tablet.
Okay, that's good. Put the lid on then for 1 minute. I don't need the onions yet, and I just need that other lid. The white lid. Yeah, just to put the... Potjie. Yes, potjie. Potjie is the Afrikaans South African word for pot. Yeah. When the oil splashes, it's hot.
the winter is done, no? No more.
We'll see later, mate. We'll see later.
It's hot. It's still hot now.
Potatoes.
Yeah. Can I give you that? Oh, no, sorry. Oh, no.
Can of tomatoes.
Right.
2 cans of tomatoes. Second one inbound.
The lamb, eh?
Right.
Right, lid on. Thank you. Right. No, it's all good. Just hang on. Sorry, I'm putting the fire out now.
Coffee powder or what?
No, it's stock. It's onion soup powder. So I need to straighten this pot a bit. Okay, there.
We'll do it in a minute. So you're cooking and we'll push the pot.
Okay, I think that's done now. There's enough liquid in there. We just got to keep an eye on
Yeah.
it, hey?
Well, you see it while it's steaming. There.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Done.
Okay, man.
Here come the buggy, they'll come around here.
It's like good for one family, but
Yeah, I'm trying to.
mushrooms, apricots, and thyme.
Rosemary, yeah. All right, on it goes. Right, so in goes chutney. I'm using mango chutney because TZ says Mrs. Balls is too sweet. He's not a good South African. And then apparently we have to put this in. What I'm going to open it. Just you can put it back on, Andy. I need to put I think that meat is coming off. Just check for me. I think that's. Is that off or not? Yes. Or not?
That's coming off.
I mean, that's with a wooden spoon, so.
Okay. All right. Are we good?
Yeah.
Should we just let it bubble away
Yeah, just
for a
leave it
little
like
bit? Yeah. Just let it cook a bit more like that. Yeah. Perfect. Absolutely. Okay. Thank you. Very good. And then I'll just take that out and put it here. That's it. And you come and help yourself there. Let's just put this on here.
I think it will fit in one.
Okay.
You just
Here we go. There we go. Thanks, Ants. How does that look, sweet? I hope it's okay.
beautiful.
Yeah. Right. Very good. Voila. And we just put that in the back of the car.
Yeah. We'll wash it.
Yeah. And
Thank you.